Tesla's electric vehicle prices are about to enter a new phase, driven by the promising solid-state battery revolution. Imagine being able to buy a Tesla Model Y at a more affordable price, something that once seemed out of reach for many electric car enthusiasts. This innovation not only reduces production costs, but also completely changes the total cost of ownership equation. After all, a more efficient and durable battery directly influences the final price of the vehicle and expenses over the years. The secret behind this cost reduction lies in the composition and manufacturing process of solid-state batteries. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, this new technology eliminates expensive materials, such as cobalt, and prioritizes more affordable and abundant elements. This allows Tesla to save billions in production and, naturally, pass some of these savings on to consumers. For those who have always seen a Tesla as a luxury reserved for few, that barrier is being broken down in an impressive way. In addition to making vehicles more affordable, this strategic change brings direct benefits to Tesla itself. With lower prices, the company can reach markets previously dominated by combustion-powered cars or more basic electric vehicles. This opens up space for a public that seeks modernity without compromising its budget. The Model Y, in particular, stands out as a protagonist of this transformation, combining the popularity of SUVs with more competitive price range, an irresistible combination for those who dream of owning an electric car. And it doesn't stop there. With solid-state batteries, Tesla promises a range of over 600 miles per charge in the Model Y. To give you an idea, this autonomy is enough to cross several states without needing to recharge, redefining the standards of sustainable mobility. Now imagine planning a long trip without the constant worry of frequent stops to charge the battery, a reality that, until now, frustrated drivers accustomed to the convenience of combustion-powered vehicles. But the real revolution lies in the recharging time. Forget about waiting for long periods at charging stations. With this new technology, the time needed to recharge can drop to just 10 to 15 minutes. Basically, it takes just a few minutes to grab a coffee and take a quick break from your trip. This efficiency is transforming consumers' perception of electric cars, eliminating one of their biggest concerns, the famous range anxiety, the fear of running out of battery halfway through the journey. Knowing that you can charge quickly at any charging point gives drivers more security and expands the possibilities for long trips. In addition, there is an undeniable benefit in saving time. In a world where every minute counts, having a car that recharges almost as quickly as refueling a conventional vehicle becomes an advantage that is hard to ignore. This advancement puts the Tesla Model Y in a different category, especially for those who value practicality, without sacrificing innovation. Finally, these improvements also directly affect the charging infrastructure. With reduced charging times, stations will be able to serve more vehicles in less time, making charging even more efficient and accessible. In short, the arrival of solid-state batteries not only boosts Tesla, but also redefines the future of electric mobility. This innovation not only improves the user experience, but also accelerates the adoption of electric vehicles in places where infrastructure is still limited. It's as if each piece of the puzzle is falling into place to drive the global transition to clean energy. And the benefits aren't limited to Tesla. Battery manufacturers and other EV manufacturers are closely following this revolution, meaning the impact will ripple across the industry. The combination of increased range and ultra-fast charging has the potential to redefine the market standard, creating a ripple effect of innovation and putting pressure on other companies to evolve. This makes the Tesla Model Y an even more attractive option for consumers looking for a versatile and efficient vehicle. But the benefits of these batteries go beyond range and charging speed. They also have impressive durability, a key factor for anyone planning to invest in a car for the long term. Solid-state batteries stand out in this regard, promising between 3,000 and 5,000 charge and discharge cycles. To put this into perspective, even if you recharge your Tesla Model Y every day, these batteries can last between 8 and 13 years without significant loss of performance. This represents a considerable leap forward compared to current lithium-ion batteries, which tend to show noticeable wear after about 1,500 cycles. And the most surprising thing? Even after years of use, these batteries can retain up to 90% of their original capacity. This means that while many electric vehicles lose range over time, a Model Y equipped with this technology will continue to deliver exceptional performance, almost as if it were new. For the consumer, this translates into long-term savings and greater confidence in the durability of the vehicle. Another relevant aspect is the positive impact on the used car market. With batteries that maintain their efficiency for longer, the resale value of electric vehicles tends to increase. After all, who wouldn't want to buy a car that, even after years of use, still offers practically the same range as when it left the factory? This creates a new economic dynamic, making electric vehicles even more attractive to both new buyers and those looking for a pre-owned model. In addition to their longevity, these batteries are also extremely durable. They handle extreme temperatures better and can withstand multiple fast charging cycles without significant degradation. For those living in regions with challenging climates, this robustness is essential, as it ensures that the vehicle's performance will not be compromised. This durability also has a direct impact on maintenance costs. Because batteries require fewer replacements and repairs, Tesla Model Y owners can save thousands of dollars over the life of the vehicle, not to mention the time saved by avoiding frequent visits to the repair shop or the need to deal with worn components. But the benefits don't stop there. The longevity of these batteries contributes to sustainability, reducing waste and the demand for scarce materials such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. This represents a benefit not only for consumer, but also for the environment, since battery manufacturing is one of the biggest ecological challenges in the automotive industry. Furthermore, this durability opens the door to new applications. In the future, even after years of use in vehicles, these batteries could still be reused to store energy in homes or power grids, maximizing their life cycle and further contributing to global energy efficiency. This innovation further expands the usefulness of batteries and contributes to a sustainable reuse cycle, something that Tesla has already begun to explore in its renewable energy projects. All of this reinforces the idea that the company is not just making cars, but redefining the consumer experience through sustainable, high-performance technology. It is this constant pursuit of innovation that keeps Tesla at the forefront of the industry, inspiring other companies to rethink what is possible in terms of design, efficiency, and durability. But the great advantage of solid-state batteries goes beyond longevity. It touches on an essential point for all drivers: safety. When it comes to safety, this technology represents a true revolution. By replacing flammable liquid electrolytes with solid materials, these batteries virtually eliminate the risk of spontaneous fires, a concern that still exists with traditional lithium-ion models. This adds an extra layer of protection that not only gives drivers more peace of mind, but also raises the industry's safety standards. Imagine driving a Tesla Model Y equipped with battery that is inherently more stable, even under extreme conditions. While battery accidents are rare, when they do occur, they can have serious consequences. However, with solid electrolytes, the risk of thermal runaway, one of the main triggers for battery fires, is drastically reduced. This innovation has the potential to change public perceptions about the safety of electric vehicles, increasing their acceptance in markets that have been reluctant to adopt this technology. In addition, solid-state batteries are much more resistant to physical damage. This means that, in the event of a collision, the likelihood of severe damage to the power system is significantly lower. For those who transport their families daily, this is an invaluable advantage. As a leader in the development of safe automotive technologies, Tesla is clearly using this innovation to further strengthen its reputation in the industry. Another interesting aspect is the performance of these batteries in extreme conditions. Unlike traditional batteries, which can suffer a drop in efficiency in extreme cold or heat, solid-state batteries maintain their thermal stability. This ensures that the car can operate reliably in both the scorching heat of the desert and the freezing temperatures of winter, providing a worry-free driving experience. This thermal stability also has a direct impact on energy efficiency. Since these batteries do not require complex cooling or heating systems to maintain their optimal performance, engineers can design lighter and more aerodynamic vehicles. This in turn improves range and reduces energy consumption, making the car even more efficient. The safety benefits don't stop there. Solid-state batteries also have a lower risk of electrical overload, a rare problem that can lead to serious failures. This greater tolerance to different charge levels gives drivers extra peace of mind, especially in situations where fast charging is required. The transition to safer batteries also paves the way for wider adoption of electric vehicles. With the associated risks reduced, regulators and governments can further encourage fleet electrification by easing restrictions on public transport fleets and expanding urban charging infrastructure. This could accelerate the transition to more sustainable mobility in many regions. Finally, the improved safety of solid-state batteries could also influence the perception of vehicle value. Consumers are increasingly not only concerned with performance and range, safety has become a decisive factor when choosing a car. As a result, models equipped with this new technology could become even more attractive to a demanding audience looking for the best in innovation and reliability. By leading this transformation, Tesla is not only consolidating its position in the market, but also redefining the standards of the automotive industry. These batteries go beyond being simply safer. They represent a milestone in the technological advancement of electric vehicles. And the most impressive thing is that there is still much to be explored about how this innovation impacts the overall performance of the Tesla Model Y and redefines our expectations for modern electric cars. With the adoption of solid-state batteries, the Model Y is about to set a new standard for efficiency and performance in the industry. This technology takes the vehicle to a new level, offering advances that go far beyond autonomy and fast charging. It is a complete revolution that makes the car not only more functional, but also a true symbol of innovation. One of the great differentiators is the improved energy density of these batteries. This means that the Model Y can use every watt of energy much more efficiently, which not only extends its autonomy, but also ensures constant performance, even in demanding conditions. Whether accelerating on the highway or tackling steep inclines, the engine responds with precision and agility, providing a superior driving experience. The impact on the vehicle's design is also significant. With more compact and lightweight batteries, engineers have greater freedom to optimize weight distribution and lower the Model Y's center of gravity. The result is even more refined handling, with precise responses in corners and sudden braking. This improved stability makes the car practically an extension of the driver, something highly valued by those seeking total control while driving. Another interesting aspect of this technology is the reduction of noise and vibrations. Thanks to the more stable structure of solid-state batteries, there are fewer internal variations in the power delivery, resulting in a quieter and more comfortable drive, even at high speeds. This makes Model Y a choice not only for those seeking high performance, but also for those who prioritize comfort and sophistication. And the benefits don't stop there. Solid-state batteries enable more immediate power delivery, ensuring even faster acceleration. Imagine going from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a short time, with instant response to the touch of the accelerator. This level of performance puts the Model Y ahead of the competition and reinforces the idea that electric vehicles can be just as exciting as combustion power models. In addition, this new technology opens up space for Tesla to further enhance its software-based features. Over-the-air updates can be used to optimize the car performance in real time, adjusting variables such as energy efficiency and charge recovery during braking. This synergy between hardware and software is one of Tesla's greatest strengths, and solid-state batteries take this concept to a new level. The possibility of ultra-fast charging also transforms the user experience in everyday life. With times reduced to between 10 and 15 minutes, stopping at a charging point becomes as practical as filling up a gasoline car. This eliminates the worry of long waiting times and makes travel even more convenient. Another unexpected benefit of this innovation is improved wear resistance, making Model Y even more durable and reliable over the years. Even after years of continuous use, the Tesla Model Y maintains stable performance, with no noticeable drops in energy storage capacity. This is essential for consumers who view the vehicle as a long-term investment, ensuring excellent value for money compared to other options on the market. Combining efficiency, power, and comfort, the Model Y equipped with solid-state batteries is establishing itself as a game-changer in the evolution of electric vehicles. However, the real revolution lies not only in improving performance, but also in reducing operating costs and increasing affordability for consumers. The impressive durability of these batteries has a direct impact on the economy of the Model Y. with an estimated lifespan of between 3,000 and 5,000 charge and discharge cycles. They virtually eliminate the need for frequent replacements. For the average driver, this means years of continuous use without worrying about replacing one of the vehicle's most expensive components. In addition to reducing costs over time, this longevity also reduces the environmental impact, in line with Tesla's commitments to sustainability. Another important aspect for reducing operating costs is the energy efficiency of these batteries. Thanks to their high energy density, they store more charge per unit weight, allowing the Model Y to travel longer distances without needing to recharge as often. This not only provides greater autonomy, but also reduces electricity costs over the years, making daily use or long trips more economical. In addition, maintenance costs are significantly lower. Solid-state batteries are more resistant to wear and tear, which reduces the need for repairs or replacement of components in the energy storage system. This includes everything from the battery pack itself to auxiliary systems responsible for maintaining thermal stability. As a result, Model Y owners save time and money, enjoying a car that is always ready to go. Another major benefit is the reliability of this type of battery. While many conventional batteries degrade over time, solid-state batteries can retain up to 90% of their original capacity even after years of use. This ensures that the Model Y continues to deliver exceptional performance, making it an excellent option for those who plan to keep it for many years or resell in the future, as its value tends to be higher. This durability opens up new opportunities in the electric vehicle market. For example, commercial fleets, such as taxis and delivery vehicles, can benefit greatly from this technology, as the accelerated wear of conventional batteries is often a limiting factor in this segment. With solid-state batteries, companies can significantly reduce their operating costs and increase the efficiency of their activities. Another key point is the thermal stability of these batteries, which reduces the need for complex cooling systems. This not only reduces manufacturing costs, but also simplifies maintenance throughout the vehicle's useful life. The more robust and simplified design allows the Model Y to better adapt to different climate conditions without compromising performance, a key advantage for drivers living in regions with extreme temperatures. Tesla also directly benefits from these operational savings. With reduced production and maintenance costs, the company can offer more affordable vehicles, expanding its target audience and attracting consumers who were previously hesitant to adopt electric vehicles due to price. This increased affordability furthers Tesla's mission to accelerate the global transition to sustainable energy sources, while solidifying its leadership in the automotive industry. Ultimately, the combination of efficiency, durability, and cost savings makes the Tesla Model Y equipped with solid-state batteries not only a technological breakthrough, but also a financially smart choice for consumers. These factors put Tesla in a unique position to redefine the standards of the automotive industry, delivering real innovation and tangible benefits to its customers. However, the impacts of this technology go beyond financial savings, and in the next section we will explore how advances in safety could further transform the market.